Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is obviously required to download something, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So then after the internet connection, let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it right now, and after that just tap on the circle which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of currently installed apps, and now just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, here we've got the list of the apps which can be updated. And basically all you have to do right now is to simply pick those apps which you'd like to update. So just mark them. I will pick the Gmail, for example, the Google Chrome, and the calendar, for example. As you can see, you can mark more than one. Of course, you can mark all of them. And after that, just tap on this icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, all of those apps will be downloaded, maybe not apps, but updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more, just wait. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.